Well, I cannot resist photographing a beautiful pier, and fortunately I found 2 of them in Newport Beach, California. I am in Newport Beach, California. Had to be here on business, so I brought my camera. I've got a little problem. I brought my new camera, but my tripod mount is on my old camera. So I have a tripod, but no way to attach it to my camera. So I'm going to do a little detour to a Best Buy about 5 minutes away, try to buy a tripod and get to my destination before sunset. See if I make it. So I came to Best Buy to buy a tripod. I'm not going to try to catch sunset. I just got to find the tripods. It's probably a bit of a waste of money, but I'll be okay. Okay, I got a cheap Manfrotto tripod. I'm going to try to get it right now. So I got my tripod. Now I got to wait for an Uber to bring me over to Balboa Pier, which is where I'm shooting tonight. I had asked my first Uber driver to wait, and I would come out and try to get him again, but I'm not sure where he is. So I've got another one coming 5 minutes away. I still have an hour before sunset, so I should be able to catch it. That's me! Okay, well I made it over to Balboa Pier with a little time to spare. It's about 40 minutes before sunset. And so give me a chance to scout things out a little bit and find a good composition. Well, we got some sneaky waves here. I had my little vlogging camera next to me. A wave came in and washed it out. So I'm using my iPhone now. Just about sunset time. Not the best sky, but pretty decent. Very nice pier. Right now I'm shooting about 1/3 of a second, so you get some of that movement in the water. At some point I might shift to a longer... that was nice. Good stuff. Sorry, I had to get focused on shooting here.